Welcome. Today, we're diving into activating cruise control, specifically Traffic Aware Cruise Control, TAC, on your Tesla Model 3. Cruise control in a Tesla Model 3 is an adaptive system that uses radar, ultrasonic sensors, and cameras to maintain a set speed and a safe following distance. Traffic Aware Cruise Control enhances this by automatically adjusting your speed based on the flow of traffic. It can even brake and accelerate in moderate traffic. Let's get started. Standard cruise control in the Tesla Model 3 maintains a consistent set speed that you've selected. It doesn't respond to traffic conditions or vehicles ahead. You must manually adjust speed and braking. This is the most basic level of Tesla's driver assistance features. Traffic Aware Cruise Control, or TAC, builds upon basic cruise control by automatically adjusting your speed based on surrounding traffic. It can slow down or speed up to maintain a safe following distance from vehicles ahead, making highway driving more comfortable and efficient. Autopilot includes all TAC features, plus steering assistance. It helps keep your Tesla centered in its lane and can navigate curves automatically. This requires active driver supervision. You must keep your hands on the wheel and be ready to take control at any time. Full self-driving aims for hands-free operation in supervised mode. It builds upon autopilot by handling complex driving scenarios, though it still requires active driver monitoring and intervention when needed. This represents Tesla's most advanced autonomous driving capability. TAC requires a subscription or purchase of autopilot or full self-driving packages. As of 2025, all new Model 3 vehicles come with autopilot hardware standard, making TAC widely accessible to new Tesla owners. First, ensure your Model 3 is in drive and moving above 18 miles per hour, which is 29 kilometers per hour. To engage standard cruise control, simply pull the right steering wheel stalk either up or down. The system will then maintain your current speed. Remember, this is not traffic-aware cruise control. It won't automatically adjust to traffic. This setting defaults to adaptive cruise control unless TAC is enabled via settings. To activate TAC, navigate to Controls, Autopilot, Traffic-Aware Cruise Control on your Model 3's touchscreen. Enable the Traffic-Aware option. You can also select your desired following distance using the slider, typically ranging from 1 to 7 bars, where 1 is the closest following distance. Remember to keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road at all times. Once traffic-aware cruise control is active in your Tesla Model 3, you can adjust the set speed using the right steering wheel stalk. Pull the stalk upward to increase the speed, or pull it downward to decrease the speed. Each single tap on the stalk adjusts the speed by 1 mile per hour increments, allowing for precise control. The following distance, which determines how closely your Tesla follows the vehicle in front, is set in the Autopilot settings menu. You can choose from 1 to 7 bars, where 1 bar means the closest following distance, and 7 bars means the farthest. This setting affects how aggressively the system accelerates and brakes to maintain the gap. Always monitor the dashboard display for the TAC icon, which confirms that the system is active and functioning. The icon will appear when traffic-aware cruise control is engaged, and it will disappear if the system disengages for any reason, such as pressing the brake pedal. Remember that even with TAC active, you must keep your hands on the wheel and remain attentive to the road at all times. To disengage cruise control or TAC, simply press the brake pedal. You can also push the right stalk away from you. The system will deactivate and the dashboard icon will disappear. Always be prepared to take manual control of the vehicle, especially in challenging driving conditions. Traffic-aware cruise control, or TAC, is a driver assistance feature designed to help with speed and distance management. However, it's important to understand that TAC is not a self-driving system. The driver remains fully responsible for the vehicle at all times. You must always remain attentive while using TAC. Keep your hands on the steering wheel, your eyes on the road ahead, and be prepared to take control of the vehicle at any moment. TAC is a tool to assist driving, not replace the driver's judgment. TAC relies on various sensors to detect vehicles and obstacles ahead. In adverse weather conditions, such as heavy rain, fog, snow, or areas with poor lighting, these sensors may not function optimally. Reduced visibility and sensor interference can affect the system's ability to maintain proper following distance or respond to traffic changes. TAC primarily uses radar sensors located behind the front grille and cameras to monitor the road ahead. These sensors can be limited by factors like heavy precipitation, fog, dust, or bright sunlight. In such conditions, the system may not detect vehicles or obstacles as reliably, potentially leading to unexpected behavior. Tesla's system is designed to require constant driver supervision. This means keeping your hands on the steering wheel at all times and maintaining visual attention to the road and surroundings. The vehicle may provide alerts or disable the system if it detects the driver is not actively engaged. Phantom braking refers to situations where TASI may apply the brakes unexpectedly, even when there's no immediate hazard ahead. This can happen due to sensor misinterpretation of shadows, road markings, or other vehicles. While following vehicles may trigger this, always be prepared for sudden deceleration and maintain a safe following distance. In summary, while traffic-aware cruise control can make highway driving more comfortable and efficient, it requires your full attention and readiness to intervene. Stay vigilant, understand the system's limitations, and always prioritize safe driving practices. If you experience issues with traffic-aware cruise control, first ensure that all sensors are properly maintained. The radar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors must be clean and unobstructed to function correctly. Check for software updates regularly. Tesla releases frequent updates that enhance TAC functionality, such as better handling in construction zones and improved responsiveness in traffic. Use the vehicle's touchscreen to check for and install updates. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, refer to your Tesla owner's manual for detailed guidance. You can also contact Tesla Service through the app or website for professional assistance with any persistent problems. Remember that Tesla's advanced driver assistance systems are continuously evolving through software updates. Always refer to the vehicle's touchscreen and the Tesla app for the most current instructions and features.